Hi, my name's Dalton Keevan. I work for Rocky Mountain KTM. I work for Shane McElrath. Yeah, this is my first year working with Shane. I came on here. I used to be out here at 83 and I really like it out here, so I was fortunate enough to be able to come back here, and I'm really enjoying my time here and ready to make a statement this year. This is his practice bike. He just rode it yesterday. Pretty much identical to his race bike. We're gonna go over a few things that the team Rocky Mountain KTM has on their bike, the sponsorships. REP AEO suspension from Mark Johnson in California. Tamer whole shot device. Galfer USA, we use on all our bikes. Acerbis plastics, that's on all the bikes, the stands too. We got an FMF exhaust, full FMF exhaust. Another thing that we all use on Rocky Mountain is no toil air filters. That's something that is really good. We've had very good luck with them. We are on Twisted Development motors this year. They're rocket ships. Very fortunate about that. We got Dirt Tricks with us this year. We all are on Brembo brakes, all around factory. Brembo brakes, clutch, front brake, rear brake. We're all on Henson clutches. ETS racing fuel is something that we've used for a long time, and we'll keep using that. Everyone's on Seat Concepts, some of the best seats out there. It's like one day on a seat cover and you won't put another one on. It don't matter the seat company, it's just he grips the seat like it's going out of style, and he'll just rip right through it. That's his key to success right there. We got ODI bars on all the bikes. Shane likes the fat bar. The fat bar will have a little bit more flex. And we got X-Trig clamps on all the bikes this year. We've had that for a long time. Shane prefers stock foot pegs over the Raptor foot pegs. He just feels like he has more grip with these, and he has a better feel with these, so he prefers the stock foot pegs over titanium foot pegs or, you know, aftermarket foot peg. So that's one thing that he likes. Yeah, so we go to the races and stuff and then race all day on Saturday, and then Saturday night you usually tear down the truck and everything, get everything packed away, and then Sunday morning we get up and right around 6, 7 o'clock a.m., get to building our bikes, tear them completely down, re-grease everything, build it back up all the way from the ground up, back to a brand new bike again, and then on Mondays we fly back to Florida. And then we ride Tuesday, Wednesdays, and then we fly out on Thursdays back to the races. So it's like nonstop, just go, go, go. So you pretty much, before the season starts, you got to do a lot of preparation work to get yourself prepared so that you're not behind. Because you get behind, once the season starts, it's over from there. There's no catching up. Like, being over prepared in this industry is like the #1 key.